Now we'll see in addition method concept how to multiply any two-digit number by with another two-digit number. So when we see this already, as we practiced earlier, multiplication by two-digit by single-digit multiplication is already perfect. There's already a calculations doing internally. Same concept will apply some more extent to two-digit by two-digit. Let's have an example first. Okay, take 46 multiply with 42. So since you already perfect with the single digit by two digit number, internal calculations, same extended this. That means one of the number we can make into parts. Concept is simple. 42 we can write as 40 plus 2. Now the concept of in this method is just without using any pen and paper combination, within the mind internally how to calculate. So without writing anywhere, that concept you are doing now. 46 into 42, if you want to multiply, just imagine 42 one of the number, treat as 40 plus 2. 40 already you perfectly practiced with single digit multiplication with double. 46 into 40 will multiply first instead of 42 directly. So even if you notice that 40 into 46, this calculation should done internally. 40 means 0, apart from 0 with only 4 in multiply. Okay, 4 into 46. This you practiced. 46 again splitting into 40 plus 6 multiplication with 4. So that you practiced already. So that according to that method, so this value is 1840. Right? 4 into 40, 160, again 4 into 6, 24. So 184, the 0 you can attach. This should calculation internal only again. So you should not use anywhere calculator or pen paper combination, just we can apply. Next, with the 2 same, 2 we can multiply this, because 42 we have separated 40 plus 2. With the 40 into this 46 is 1840. Again with 2 into the same 46, the single digit, that is 92. We can add these numbers, internal calculation. So 2, however you can add, whichever the method. Starting we discussed already additions of the numbers. So that concept you can use 1932. 1840 plus 92. So 1840 plus 90. Add that 1930 plus 2, 1932. So this work should done internally. That is the main important. Let's have one more example then. 48. Okay, I'll take 73. Now in this example, the base is 73. One of the number is 73. So that is 70 plus 3. So first what we should do, we take the 70, internally we'll multiply the 48. Okay, 70 into 48. This you already practiced previous chapters. So same, that's why we're continuing the addition extra method. 7 into 48. So 7 into 40 plus 7 into 8. That concept you are applying extra 0. So 336 will come. 7 into 40 plus 7 into 8. 0. Because 0 is there. Because you already perfectly practice this type. That's why just only once you practice that we can continue another method. Now it's 3 into 48. Same, 3 into 48 means internally calculating 48 is 40 plus 8. 3 into 40 is 120. Again 3 into 8 is same 20, 24. That is 144. Internal calculation. Then you can do addition of this 3504 because extra. Mismatch combination. Matching and mismatch combination are applied. Because since you already practiced previous, this time writing directly answers here now. So this is the method we can follow for any multiplication 2 digit by 2 digit. Let us have one more. Okay, for example, 84. Okay, let me take this. 84 is multiplied with 59. Here is 59 is 50 plus 9. 59 is near to 60. That is in subtraction method we'll discuss. Just we will see directly how to do. So internally calculations if you apply 15 to 84. That is simple. 15 to 84 if you observe. 84 you should make it half. 42. Okay, 2 keeps 2 zeros because of multiplying with 50. 50 is 1 by 2 of 100. Half of the 100, right? 50 to 50, half of the 100. So 84 into 100 is 8400. Divided by 2 is 4200. You can guess in this way also if any numbers are combination like this. 9 into same 84. Okay, 756 internal calculation. So these two if you add 4956. 4200 plus 700. 4900 plus 56. Internal calculation 4956. So this is the method. Actually you need to practice a little bit. Before that you must perfect that 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication. Then only you can come to this 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication in this way. So directly if you are seeing this video, you can revise the previous chapters also. Then it will be easy. So this is one of the trick. In case if any number is near to the multiple of tens, like 59, 58, 69, 68, near to the multiple of 10, multiples of 10, then how to do that same 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication with subtraction method I will explain now.